I always wanted to get out of this hustle and bustle. In our daily 10 to 7 office routine, the same old daily schedule closes the doorway of fresh air to our brain. But as Durga Puja comes, the city gets ready for its biggest festival, and I got a long break to explore myself, do what I love to do. And that's exactly why. Good afternoon from Howrah station. We have to catch 03009 Howrah Haridwar special. This is the number 12 platform. We are standing right next to the platform. We are waiting for our team to arrive. Let's wait for some time, let them arrive, and then we will enter board the train and wish us good luck. People ask me why I leave my city behind on her most enjoyable days. Yeah, that's a valid question. But I do have a full time job, and it's very hard to get a long holiday like this. From my childhood, I have a passion for photography and the excitement of visiting the mountains, which never gets old. Many of us complain about feeling uneasy on train, especially on a long journey like this. But to me, it's fun, it's the excitement, it's the eagerness to meet the mighty mountains. Somewhere I read that the slight swing of the train reminds us of our childhood, swings of our mother's lap, which are stored deep inside our subconscious mind. And that's exactly why I feel pretty good. After approximately 32 hours of train, it's finally time to get off at the temple city in India, Haridwar. After a quick discussion with the driver, we started our journey for our first stop, Ranchi.
You're a guilt trip, feeding me with all these lies. I feel sick. You're a bad choice that I made 5 years ago at some party in New York. Are you texting me to tell me that I'm shit? Why are you still going on about things I never did? Maybe you can't see that I'm hard to hold. I know I'm a basket case you think should be alone, but I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep 'cause of you, but I still have my friends, don't want you. You're a nightmare, reminding me of who I am. It feels
As soon as our car hits the road, the mountains start to appear. The mountain breeze start to hit inside, and the captivated eyes and brain, it's just started grasping the beauty of Mother Nature.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan.
After some time, we stopped at a roadside tea stall to recharge ourselves. When the eagerness of visiting the Madhya Maheshwar starts to spread faster than COVID, our team leader starts to help the shop owner for fastest service.
One chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night.
One of my favorite YouTubers says, "Manzil mile na mile, apna to safar jannat hai yaro," which means no matter the destination is reached or not, the journey is the real heaven for me. And yes, at that time on that road surrounded by these big majestic mountains, that words became alive. It's like visiting an old friend after many years. After 8 hours on road, we reach Ranchi, the starting point of our trek. The mental preparation to visit the Lord Shiva has just begun. One step forward for the trek and one step forward for this channel. Station Kolkata.